Is it 80? Yes, sir. This one demonstrate of the split air conditioning, sir. How split air conditioning, sir? How to that principle work, and we are getting full air from this air conditioning. So just according to thermodynamics law, second law, our classes scientists they are given one statement. So we know that, sir, every time heat flow from high temperature to low temperature. But according to process law, heat cannot flow from low body to hot body without any external source. So external source is here work our compressor. When the just like we are demonstrate about this split air conditioning, sir, according to this law, this vapor compressor system is going. Okay, sir. So in this system, we are just this one outdoor unit part, sir. Compressor and condenser. This one indoor unit parts. Evaporator pulse and is blower. Blower come go to inside. So how to work and we are how to get cool air. When the AC on, indoor unit on, after that come to this compressor on. When the compressor working of the piston and connecting it with the piston go to compress the gas, then high pressure and high temperature gas flow from this pipeline. Then come to the air condenser. Here one process is going on, sir, heat rejection process. Because here high pressure, high temperature gas come to inside condenser. Condenser here using your fan, sir. So that fan work only throughout the hot gas to outside our atmosphere air. Why here heat rejection? Because here high temperature, high pressure. Here atmospheric air. So compared to this one low temperature, so directly heat goes to outside. After that, cool refrigerant flow after this here come to here, sir. Here low pressure, low temperature. Then come to here, sir, dry filter. What dry filter using? This filter used only for this in between gas, sir, any water contents, just like moistures, any gas have any dust particles. So directly that refrigerant filter by this filter. After that, gas go to, sir, this expansion one, also capacity. This pipe dia compared to this, sir, is very small, sir. So when the small have hole directly gas go to inside, the expanded, then evaporated this gas and come to low pressure, low temperature, and directly come to this the evaporator coil. So here gas purely low pressure, low temperature, and this is our room, sir. This is our indoor unit parts. So this is room area. So compared to this temperature, outside temperature, air is more. So here one process is going on heat absorption process. Heat absorption. So directly that hot air come to suck by this blower and touch to body, and then cooling get cool air directly come through out by blower outside. Before this we are using filter. Filter works are in our room area that how many airs have some dust particles, so that one filter by this filter. If not, if we are filtering, so directly dust particle go to inside and choke this condenser up, that we are getting go for very poor cooling, because full coils will choke by dust. So every time should be in 3 months to 4 months we are going for a filter service. Filter service work is just we are open the body and clean this. So this is the normal for frequently any problem. Most of problems are our we are service. So this after that this one, sir, after that gas line go to purely low pressure, low temperature gas come to this. Here one using one accumulator, sir. What is the work of the accumulator? After that gas passes the air, in between is in gas, sir, any water content is going on. So directly that gas not go to compressor, because if water content go to inside, sir, maybe this compressor may be damaged, any short circuit, may be any possible compressor go to failure. So accumulator work collect this refrigerant. After that, by heating, they go to evaporate and come to purely vapor form in this compressor. So he is protective, just like what kind of protective of compression. This cycle, sir, without leakage, continuous running. If any no leakage, same gas we can lifetime can use run. But it is not possible because of something in between joint, just like here, maybe any joint. So sometimes any complaint is coming, sir, the unit is running, but gas is, sir, cooling is not good. So directly check and how to check, sir. So every gas have some standard running pressure and standing pressure. So we have no, just like R22, R22 has 65 psi running pressure. So directly forward the technician, yes, you what problem? So that person go and check, sir. Now pressure is 40. So we are analyze, go maybe gas any point leakage. So we are go for arresting gas, which point to which gas is have leakage. So we are arrested by soap solution and then found out and again top of the gas. Again that unit is running to the arrest. So this is the non-inverter technology basic principle, sir. That principle namely vapor compressor application system. And after that, sir, we are going for more inverter technology. So what is the basic difference upon between inverter and non-inverter technology? Basic difference is compressor. Because of compressor, inverter technology, non-inverter technology compressor, just we want in our room 24 degree centigrade temperature. This go set the 24 degree centigrade temperature. That temperature achieved by this unit, and after that compressor cut off, totally off there. But the inverter technology, that compressor not cut off, not off, only that speed will reduce. Because of this, we are go for energy consumption. Because here energy, that compressor did not cut off, here cut off. So again, start up taking more amperes every time starting. So that's why we that energy consumption is here more. So directly affected on unit cost. So this is the main reason of the inverter and non-inverter technology. But according to our maintenance cost, this is non-inverter has some less and inverter have some costly, because this PCB board, most of you are suffering now this time. Any short circuit, any lizard, directly lizard go to inside and directly any short circuit, that PCB is gone, and that unit cost may be 10 to 12,000. So this is the main problem.
Actually, they say while running car, if you switch off in traffic for 10 seconds, 5 seconds, starting power also puts more load on the battery to start the vehicle. That's why they don't advise to
Any machine, sir, either is off and again started taking more torque also and energy also, sir. So this one main cause of this non-inverter technology. We are getting taking more energy. That's why taking more ampere. That directly uh, delivered to our energy unit cost.
Thank you. Thank you, very nice.